Hey, welcome to the channel. We are in Florida. I'm at the Flamingles Rally. I bet you don't know who this is.
What?
This is Sandra Johnson.
No.
The queen of electricity. We just did an install of a 3,000 watt inverter, a Lithionics 315 amp hour battery in this 2021 Leisure Travel Van Murphy bed.
In less than 3 hours.
Yes, it would have been 2.5 if you wouldn't have lost that nut.
It's true.
Right?
Yeah.
But anyway, Mark and Rosanna now have pure freedom. And so I just want to say that video is going to be upcoming. And I know this week I've been at this Flamingos rally, which has been absolutely fun. Have you had fun?
It has been fun. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Is this your first time to the Flamingos?
Yes, it is.
Me
yeah.
too.
Well, any rally. I've never
My
been in a
first rally too.
Yeah.
But guess what? I'm going to come again.
I probably will too.
I feel like
it.
I fit right in.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. And here in a second, we're going to go tour a 2016 Leisure Travel Van and talk to some owners about what they absolutely love about their Leisure Travel Van. Well, I know.
Yeah, we have 40 of them. 40,
yeah, there are
40, at least 40
Leisure Travel Vans here. We have had everything. You and I spoke on a panel.
The oldest one we have is a 2013, I think.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if we have any 2022s. We probably do, though.
Yeah, so you and I spoke on a panel about freedom of electricity and how to do that.
Right.
Then we heard from RV techs. This has been an absolutely blast. Really
it has. Very
enjoyed
informative all the way around.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, no,
so,
I'm glad I could do this. I mean, hopefully this video that people are going to get to watch on the full installation will help other people do it.
100%. And so be watching for that video. If you've ever been intimidated about changing out your battery, changing out your inverter, it's never been easier.
It is easy.
We had about 10 people watching.
Oh yeah, we had a big audience. It was fun.
They were asking questions, and literally it couldn't have been easier. And so I want to really invite you to watch that video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and hit that bell icon so you know when that video becomes available.
Right.
But for those who have ever wondered if Sandra Johnson is even real, she's real. She's here.
Yeah, I'm not a fraud.
Yeah, no, she's here, and she is a lot of fun. But we go to dinner tonight,
yeah,
and then the rally is over tomorrow.
Yeah.
And so, but anyway, then we'll get back to, I guess you go back to South Carolina.
Yes, I do.
I'll go back to Texas, and we'll have great memories of the Flamingos.
Until November, when they have it again.
Yeah, they're doing the Keys, and I think I'm going to go.
Yeah, the Keys. I've never been to Keys. I want to, yeah.
Well, let's do it.
Yeah, okay,
cool. All right, but anyway, so we're going to go tour a 2016 Leisure Travel Van and hear from the owners exactly what they love about their coach. And so if you've ever thought about getting into a Leisure Travel Van, wondering what they actually look like on the inside, we're about to find out.
Cool. All right.
All right. Okay, I'm here at the Flamingos Rally. There are 40 Leisure Travel Vans here. Leisure Travel Vans everywhere that you look, every year, every make, every model. It is amazing, but we are going to take a tour right now of George and Elizabeth's 2016 Unity twin bed. And here they are.
Hello. How you doing?
Hello, George and Elizabeth. How are y'all?
We're doing great. Doing great, thanks.
Okay, tell us how you got the Leisure Travel Van. You had one on order. What happened?
Well, we had a 2022 on order and found out that it was going to slip into 2023, which did not meet our needs, with schedules and work and taking time off to travel across the U.S., North America. So we decided to begin our search, and we found a unicorn. And about 45 minutes away from us, we found this lovely 2016 Unity twin bed. Wasn't obviously the colors and things we wanted that we put on order, but we fell in love with it, and we've made it our own. So we've done a number of upgrades to it, and we want to kind of give you an idea that you can kind of see what you can do to it, a used vehicle, to bring it up to a new spec. So it can be done.
Yeah, I've already taken a tour. He's done some stuff that I totally want to do. They've done some amazing stuff. So give us a tour.
All right, great. Let's start with the outside.
Yeah.
So we detailed the vehicle, done some paint prep on it, and done nice wax jobs on it, and detail it and make it look nice and shiny. That was one of the things we wanted to do. One of the things you see here is our full-time rear camera. So aside from the camera up above there, that's when you go into reverse, we wanted a full-time rear view camera. So I installed that.
Perfect place for it. Good placement.
It's excellent. Perfect to see what's right behind you and what's coming up on you, so you can make lane changes much more safely than before that. We also added the Sumo springs on the back, Sumo springs on the front, yellow in the back, black in the front. Also added the Hellwig sway bar. Changed out the awning motor. And
By necessity.
yes. And so this vehicle had 49,000 miles when we purchased it. We had it inspected by Mercedes. We had it inspected by an RV inspector, and everything checked out. The tires were the original tires. So the first thing we put on this thing was a new set of Michelin Agilis Cross Climates. They've been running great. We did have some wear on the front end. We replaced the ball joints and the tie rods, and we got essentially a new front end, new shocks, new suspension. This thing rides like a dream. So it's great.
Okay, that's definitely going to be something I do. Oh, I love this.
And we have a custom plate. That's the name of our vehicle.
That is awesome.
Seroma.
Yeah. Anything over on this side?
On this side, basically, no. I mean, it's, same old. We did. The windows were pretty etched with water stains, water spots. We found some chemical guys have an orange gel solution that you can put on there to clean them, and we got rid of all the water spots, so that was real nice. And on the inside,
we put the
covers on. We got rid of the. This had the rain sensors. We disconnected the rain sensors and put on the covers on the roof to have the fan vents open during the rains, so we can keep them open all the time. So that was a big adjustment up there. Polished the. We have 200 watts of solar on the roof. We polished those and made them, work a little better. And again, a lot of detailing work on it to make it nice and shiny.
You got the WeatherTechs.
Got the WeatherTech
blocking you from the heat.
Yes, got that, and they're black on the inside, so when it's cold, you can turn them around and absorb the heat.
Perfect.
Open the other side. On the inside, we replaced the stereo system that came with it on the 2016, and put a Sony Apple CarPlay 9-inch or 7-inch screen in there, I believe. And we changed out all the speakers. We have a 6-speaker system.
So jealous of that. Look at that. That's crazy.
Now it's a nice tool for when you're driving. You can see what's coming up on you very clearly.
Tire minder.
You got your tire minder. We got the little cup holder deal that fits real nicely in here, and so I can monitor the tire pressures while we're driving.
Yeah.
Sony system on there. So new door speakers, new speakers on the top, and then of course we got speakers behind the seats now as well.
Okay, so with the tire minder, did you do the Borgs, or did it already come with it?
Oh, no, I already had the Borgs.
Already had the Borgs.
Yeah,
okay.
had the Borgs
So
on there.
yeah, keep in mind if you do a tire minder, you do a tire pressure monitoring system, you have to upgrade the
valve stems.
valve stems. Yeah.
Yeah. And we had the Alcoas came with it. He already had the soft start installed.
Nice.
Yes.
So you got a gem.
Yeah.
We did. We found a unicorn for
We
sure.
found a unicorn. Oh, we put the macerator pump. So we have a macerator toilet, but we added on. We added on this Thetford macerator pump, so it makes dumping a lot easier.
Nice.
And what else on the outside?
We changed all the latches out.
Oh, we changed all the latches. These chrome-plated nickel latches have a tendency to pit and get corroded.
Yeah.
Leisure sent us a new set. Of course, I had to pay for them, but we just installed those.
Oh,
Cool.
you got the chrome on the.
Oh yeah, the chrome exhaust
Look
pipe.
at you, man.
Come
on now.
Yeah, no, that's something that it just adds a nice little touch.
Yeah,
so.
come on.
Yeah.
All right.
So
And
I
then
think
you showed me something I'm going to probably do
Oh, here, hold on.
on this little guy right here. Look at that.
So, just cabinet knobs.
cabinet.
Cabinet.
Yeah, look at you.
Put the strap on the door here so we can grab it.
Yeah.
That's important.
And then show me on the other side what you did here.
Oh yes, that's right. We replaced the standard keypad, which was just like this. The keys weren't functioning very well; they were old, and we put the Bluetooth version on there, so we can control it from our phone, and it works great.
Perfect. Take us inside.
All right.
All right, Elizabeth, it's your turn.
Go
We
ahead.
good? All right. So inside,
Start with the table.
we didn't want to hassle with taking the table out from underneath the bed every night, put it back and forth. So found a mechanism so we can slide it. So while we're driving or don't need the table, we just push it to the side. We can lock it up so it's nice and secure. And what else did we do in here? We added, there's a curtain. I have a thermal curtain that when we're driving, it keeps all the nice cool air conditioner heater up front, and you don't have to cool and heat the whole cab. Command 3M Command has a draper rod hook, so easy peasy, stick it on.
Love that.
On here we have which
Seatbelts.
yeah, added some seat belts so I don't have to remove my spices when we're driving. They stay in there.
More command hooks.
More command hooks over there. And what else did we do in here? The rest of the stuff is in the back. We added a waggle because we do travel with a pet. So
Yes.
it's nice to know that the temperature is all good. In the bathroom, previous owners removed a towel bar or towel holder and left 2 holes in there. So I had to find a solution to basically make it look prettier and get rid of the holes. So,
Well, I think it's fantastic.
so Amazon will be over there. And the back over here kind of had a dated looking valance. They had these legs that came down over here, and when we would sleep, we'd bump into it. So we just cut off the legs and added some more command hooks so that when we travel, we can secure the, here we go,
Very nice.
secure the shades. What else did we do in here? Oh, there was in the shower, they had pretty unusable shampoo holder. So we removed it. It was on this side. We removed that, patched the holes, and just added a stick-on soap thing.
And then this is awesome.
Oh yeah.
I want to add this to ours
So this here.
because you still have the slider.
Yeah.
So
it's
this
still in
slides
here.
across. That's what we have.
Oh, sorry. I got this.
It's not great.
over here.
I mean, it works,
But this is
but
nice.
this gives you so much more room.
And then I put a little command hook on the inside to hold it in. So, yeah, you do get a good 4 or 5 inches more elbow room up there.
Love that.
And that is it. We love it. The quality, I mean, we couldn't believe it when we came into a 6-year-old unit and it looked brand new.
Yeah. So let's talk for a second. So this is a 2016 model, but there's some stuff in the 2016 that I think is better than the 2022s coming out, right? Which, from what I've seen, okay, you've got a radio here still. Now I understand there's some people that don't like it, but y'all love it. It's never been a problem for you.
No.
But you have speakers up in the ceilings here
And then the
and back in the bedroom.
It's nice.
How awesome is that? And
Love
then
it.
also
Get our TV.
your TV is back here. You want to open that?
Open that up.
So your TV is hidden.
Hidden, doesn't get wet, doesn't get dirty while we're cooking. We think it's a good solution.
Yeah.
So,
And it gives us a place to put
Yeah.
like sunglasses,
Yeah.
wallet,
Yeah,
keys and
little
stuff. A nice
storage.
little storage space. So that was really nice.
So yeah, those are a couple features of the 16 that were different on the newer ones, obviously,
Mm-hmm.
that we were going to buy, but we actually like them. So
Yeah. And I
it's-
kind of like these old-fashioned knobs that push out. And it's real
Yeah.
easy to tell that I lock something because we can just sit
Yeah.
in the front, turn around, and we can see if anything's sticking out.
So I'm gonna tell you this. They told me what they paid for it. I'm not gonna tell you, but oh my gosh,
don't be afraid to buy. Well, used
Yeah.
prices depends where you go. But
yeah. I mean,
by the way, we had almost 50,000 miles on this engine, and besides the front end work that we needed to do, the engine was in great shape. Diesels can run for a million miles with no
Yeah.
problem. So don't be afraid to buy used.
no, and because if you don't want to wait the 2 or 3 years, you guys found a gem of a coach.
We
And
think
for
so.
what you paid for it, oh my gosh,
Yeah.
that is amazing.
We got
So
one.
anyway, if you can find it, you're not going to pay what they paid. You're going to pay more. I can promise you that. But don't be afraid to buy used. Just get it. The thing is, just get out there.
Yeah.
I mean, if you guys may order a new one, but you've got one until then. If you may not because you have one, right? So yeah, I think the key is just get out there now because we have had such a good time at this Flamingos.
Oh,
Yeah,
It's been great.
fun.
Isn't it been fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know what? I'm in meeting awesome people. Obviously, I met you guys, met some other folks. I get invited to go to the Keys,
Yeah.
right? I'm going to the Keys in
Yeah.
November, right? So anyway, it's been great. But anyway, I absolutely love your Unity twin bed model. But anyway, that's it for this week. Again, this is just an impromptu video. Thank you for letting us tour.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting me get some content out this week, right? And be watching for that Sandy Johnson battery install. You were there. George helped me film. It's been, I mean, it was a 3-hour film. So it's going to take me some while to edit it. So it'll be out soon. Again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. And we will see you next week.
Bye-bye.